one soft lang. Okay, I'll go for gold lips na lang.
In fact, we are kalog. It was
meant for
me,
us.
Oo.
Kasi ang hirap niya hanapin.
Oo.
Kahit saan, di ba?
Actually, given the chance, we'll do it all over again.
Balik tayo.
Basta together forever. We're meant to be together. Everyone,
Welcome to
BYS Studio! Yes, maayong buntag. Now we're here together with the whole team and Fuschia, my twinnie from MGI All-Stars. We were in fact roommates and now we are here to bond and catch up.
True. Hindi lang roommates. Sweeney!
Yes, we're twinnie. Oh, that we are prim and proper, that we're well put together. Well, in fact, we are kalog. You can see, we can be versatile and be, sabi nila out of reach minsan pero in fact, we are very, cowboys.
Dapat magaling sumagot.
Oo.
Dapat maganda, perfect yung katawan.
Yes.
Pero hindi nila alam, dapat talaga maganda yung personal attitude. Attitude matters.
Nadyo-generalize yung being
Oo.
beauty queen because
ang ganda nun, ang galing sumagot, ba't hindi nanalo? It's because...
the professionalism.
Correct! Professional tayo, Sweeney.
Before we walk out the stage is the chaos, the
May
behind the
nag-away.
scenes.
May nag-away.
May nag-aaway,
Naalala mo yun, Queen? May nag-away. Tapos,
Oo.
after 5 minutes, nag-hug.
Nag-hug na sila. So parang ano lang siya, overwhelming emotion.
Di ba? Iba-iba.
Pero ako,
Mga
before
flashes.
ako lumalabas talaga, nagsistretching.
Yes, sinasabi mo yan sa akin.
Diba?
Swin, mag-stretch ka na.
Oo, kasi dapat warmed up ka Dapat ready ka. Ready or not, dapat ready ka
Ready
talaga.
ka talaga.
Oo.
Kasi kinakabahan ako.
Oo, dapat focus ka lang talaga sa
Kinakabahan
anong
ako.
pwede mong ma-improve para kung ano yung darating sa'yo, at least nakapag-prepare tayo.
Diba?
Ma-expect na ma-experience natin yun. Na
Diba?
So many things happening all at once. Pero that's really the essence of the backstage. na hindi nakikita ng mga tao.
Of course, the sisterhood. Doon tayo
Sisterhood.
Ang sisterhood.
Parang
Doon tayo
magkakapatid talaga na nag-aaway rin, tapos nagbabati. So,
Nagbabay.
it's part of the process. So trust the
process.
Wala naman, pero for me lang the bare face challenge was the challenge.
Yes. Actually, di ba? Actually, Twin, nag-ano na lang yung isip ako doon sa bareface challenge kung tatanggalin ko ba yung lashes or hindi. Tapos nakita ko yung iba, gumaganon ako, hindi nagtatanggal ng lashes. Pero tumitingin ako sa judge, parang sinuzoom out nila, tinitingnan nila pag nag-ano talaga pag walang lashes. Kaya tinanggal ko. After kong tinanggal, nag-ano naman ako, ay, ba't ko tinanggal? Tinatry ko siyang ibalik.
So the other queens didn't
Hindi.
remove the eyelashes. So we didn't.
Including you, hindi
I
mo
didn't
remove.
remove my eyelashes because I saw the other queens na
Ako din.
nakahilera ko. Tapos nakita namin after the show, everyone that was on top na scores, walang eyelashes, walang everything. So
Parang hindi-
if had we known, we should have just took out the eyelashes. For us, that was the disaster na hindi siya na-clarify sa amin na kailangan pala everything talaga tanggap. It wasn't a total disaster naman. It was just a misunderstanding, I guess, when it comes to the get unready with me.
What's one beauty trick every queen knows but never talks about?
Siguro an unwritten rule that a beauty queen knows that no one talks about is to have a mighty band within her purse all the time. Kasi in case if your nails will matatanggal yung extension, or if mababali yung sa ipin, or yung may didikit ka sa gown. So there's so many factors that a mighty bond can do that you didn't know it could help.
Naglalagay kami ng manicure. Hindi pa uso yung veneers
Oo,
before.
alam ko yan.
Naglalagay kami ng ng manicure, white manicure sa
Para maging
ngipin.
white yung
Kasi
ngipin.
para maganda sa stage.
Kaya alam ko yan.
Alam mo yan, di ba?
As a veteran queen. Veteran. First day siya ng beauty.
May hilo ka,
Pag
no?
nalunok mo, no? Parang one. I think I can add one more siguro, a hairspray. Para hindi ka mag-nip-slip, you hairspray your body or your panty para hindi siya magalaw.
What's the hardest part of looking perfect all day? Sasakit yung dito mo, kakasmile.
Kakasmile.
Sasakit yung cheeks mo, kakasmile. Bawal kang girl, bawal kang simangot.
Yes.
Di ba? Bawal kang,
Especially if
dapat
you
smile
have...
ka lang to look.
Right! Oo.
Hi.
Oo. Minsan, parang magkakasore ka na. Hindi mo na maibalik.
Ako din, ang sakit to look perfect, dapat smile.
Yes.
Diba?
The hardest...
Gaganda yung aura mo pag nakasmile ka palagi. Kaya pag uwi mo, sasakit talaga yung cheekbones.
Yes. Matte or dewy?
I think I'll go for
Okay.
1, 2, 3, matte.
Dewy.
For me, matte, para hindi ka na magre-retouch.
Ako naman dewy because I like the feeling of the no makeup look. But at the same time, of course, I also love matte equally. Kasi pag super oily ka naman, di ba? Parang,
Haggard tingnan.
oo, haggard
Yeah.
din siya tingnan. So, actually, it's so hard to choose.
Just bold lips or soft gloss?
3,
2,
1.
1. Soft gloss! Okay, I'll go for bold lips na lang. Bold lips na lang ako. Sige, go.
Sige, go. Bakit soft glam? Wala nang bawian, girl.
Para fresh.
Oh, diba? Same sentiment.
Brows?
Brows first or face first? 3,
2, 1.
Base
Brows!
first. Bakit?
Actually, hindi ako nami-makeup sa sarili ko tuwin. I mean, pag may mga events, hindi ako nami-makeup. Hindi ako marunong mag-makeup. Marunong lang ako mga daily makeup.
So diretso ka na sa brows kasi hindi ka na nagbe-base at all.
Diretso ako sa brows kasi hindi na ako naglalagay ng brows. Binabrush ko lang siya. 5-minute makeup?
Or full glam. 3, 2, 1.
5 minutes!
Because as a girl who wants everything fast in this fast-paced world.
I love it. I love it. Okay, I'll go for full glam.
Hoy, pwede namang same tayo. Grabe siya.
Pwede bang same? Okay, sige. 5
Ikaw.
minutes, of course, di ba? Para
Ano lang.
all the way.
Oo.
Para para madami kang magagawa everyday.
Kasi if I put too much makeup every day, nagkaka-breakout ako.
Yeah, I remember. Hindi siya, hindi ka sanay mag-makeup, no?
Oo.
Walang foundation pero naka-eyeshadow, okay na.
Yeah. Concealer
Okay na.
naman. Naka-concealer naman. Hindi mo naman ako perfect.
Ako naman is, dapat may concealer sa...
Yes.
May bago silang may bago silang foundation
Product.
na bagay sa atin mga morena skin.
Yes. Actually, gamit ko siya ngayon. This is
Me
it.
too.
I love,
Bagay siya sa
I
atin,
love it.
Twinnie.
At least
As a
it's-
Filipina girl.
Oo. At least diversify.
At least pwede siya pang 5 minutes din siya tuwing. Ganun ka lang, pak.
Oo, actually,
perfect na.
oo.
You can-
That's so true. Oo.
Diba? 4, 3, 2.
Beauty.
Confidence!
Oh my God. Go.
As a person who's not that beautiful,
Amy!
no, of course, confidence. Di ba? Pag makikita yung mga yung tao na confident siya sa sarili niya. Confident siya tingnan, confident siya sa self niya, magiging beautiful na siya in the eye of the beholder.
Oh.
Beholder!
Iba.
Iba.
Ako naman, beauty kasi comes in many forms.
Ay.
It's from the inside and the outside.
But it needs confidence.
Yes, because when you feel like you're beautiful, the confidence
Wait,
comes after, diba?
So I think both talaga. Beauty
both.
with confidence.
So when you know you're beautiful, you become confident. Okay, my question, other than the questions that we had before,
Okay.
my question is, what makes you blush?
Oh my God, what makes me blush? When I have money.
Ako, what makes me blush?
I know. What makes me blush if I use the BYS blush on.
Yes! You got it right! Yun din yung answer ko.
Okay. Okay, paano mo na-maintain yung beauty mo to?
Prayers.
Because habang tumatagal lang gumaganda ka mas maganda ka ngayon.
Like-
Maganda ka before, pero mas...
We age like fine wine.
Diba? Habang tumatagal, lalong
sumasarap. Healthy lifestyle. It really translates to the physical appearance. So you are what you eat, I always used to believe.
So that's how you maintain your
Ganon.
beauty.
Yes,
Kaya pala.
it's not an overnight thing. It should be a lifestyle
So,
and a
alam na
habit.
nila.
Oo. Ikaw, how do you maintain your beauty? Kasi paganda ka ng paganda
Ay,
ngayon.
thank you
Galing
so
ka pang
much.
Thailand, fresh na fresh. Diba?
As a transgender woman, I always take hormones. Hormones. Nakakaganda.
Hindi ka lang babae, babae ka.
Okay, my next question sa you, Twin.
Uy.
Ay.
Yes, Tita Boy. How did you imbibe or how did you make it a lifestyle na ang ganda ng gising mo all the time?
I think it comes out naturally.
It's-
Ganito talaga.
It's the person that you are.
Yes. A positive person.
Na pag nagpapanik ka, nag-anxiety ka sa stage, how do you handle the pressure?
Kalma. Kinakalma ko lang yung self ko and always think the good things that's happening to me. Nag-ano ako, nag-pray, of course. Iba yung yung prayers.
Yes, actually.
Nagpe-pray ako na dapat, sana gabayan ako sa
Sa challenge.
sa challenge.
Yes.
Gabayan ako sa anong mangyayari.
Oo. It's really hard, no? Kasi before, I used my bronzer as my powder para lang
Para ma-fair.
equal ko
Para
siya.
ma-even
Kasi
sa
it's really hard kasi minsan yung liquid foundation ko sobrang maputi. So binabawi ko siya sa bronzer all over my face. Now that I'm using BYS mattifier in mocha, talagang na-happy ako na parang wow, meron siyang tone na pagka-orangey na hinahanap ko sa isang powder, compact powder. Ay, nahiyang agad ako na like parang it was meant for me. It was
meant for
me,
us.
Oo. Kasi as a Morena girl,
Ang
as
daming
an island girl,
Oo,
di ba?
island girl.
Now
Oo
we
na.
already have toffee and mocha as
Anong ginagamit mo?
Mocha.
Mocha.
Oo.
Sa akin naman is siya, pinaghalo.
Halo siya.
Hinahalo siya.
Oo.
Kasi marami tayo marami
Oo.
tayong hindi lang nila mailabas and may pakita sa mundo na ganun yung skin nila. It's
Oo.
because yung standard ng
Oo.
mga tao of being beautiful, physically, beautiful skin is
Yes.
to have a white skin.
Yes.
Siya
Na-appreciate.
And it's about time
It's
na
about
appreciate
time.
natin. It's because may BYS na to
Yes.
May BYS foundation na.
Yes.
Good for our skin.
Compact powder.
Compact powder.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh my
that was
God.
a great catch
fun.
up. I
That
know,
was-
kulang
diba?
pa.
Kulang pa actually.
Oo, sana may next time ulit. So we would like to thank BYS Studio for bringing us all together again. And kaya abangan baka may next time pa. Diba?
And that's it for today,
Yes.
guys.
This has been Gazini Ganados.
I am Fuschia and Ravena.
This is
BYS Studios from down here.